Hi guys, we're out here. This is a brand new house we picked up to flip. So the numbers look good. I can talk to you about that if you ever want to know what's the right price to buy a house, but I want to show you a before and after so we can go through and do this whole video. There's a beautiful tree right behind us, behind y'all, and a beautiful oak tree, and we're going to go into this house, look at all the things. Let me show you this tree. Area around here looks pretty good. Personally, we have several homes in this particular neighborhood-ish that we have for rental, and this house kind of fits into that portfolio, but there are all kinds of things. Again, we're doing a flip, and y'all, this is like, you need smell-o-vision for this one so you can, see, hear, smell. Okay, so come on in. So this house, obviously they're in the process of moving out. We don't know how much they're going to get out of here, but there is a bedroom here and a bedroom here. So we'll have to replace this door because this is an outside door, but you can't really see in here, but know that this is a bedroom, which is a converted garage. But that makes this a four bedroom house, and this will be a bedroom. It's really big. I think they probably kept a dog in here in this room because there's great big dog bowls. And then this is the partial garage that's left, and you can see there's still lots of stuff here. And I don't know if the person selling this house is quite all the way out yet or not, so we'll know that soon. And then we'll go in and show you the rest of the house. And so that's one bedroom. This is another bedroom. This is a much smaller bedroom here, but could be an office or a bedroom. It's got a closet, it's got a window, it's got a door, so it can be a bedroom. Step down here. We'll go over here to the another secondary bedroom. So this one isn't too bad. This room's all cleaned out, and just the floor, will probably have to be replaced, and maybe base floors painted or replaced, and then we'll get rid of all the gold fixtures. And in here, which you can't really see, is the secondary bathroom. It's pretty simple, like that white block around the shower kind of thing. It's got a shower, bathtub kind of thing. So here is the kitchen. One of my favorite features of this home is there's no rat poop in the pantry. Like we saw that on my last one we did, and that was super gross. And then this kitchen, we're going to need cabinet doors. Probably have to replace appliances. The refrigerator's probably going to go. We definitely need to scrape the ceiling. There's a bow in the ceiling where maybe there was a leak. The black and white cabinets will have to go. And then this is a dining room here. And I think this is technically like the formal dining room, where all this room here. Like if you can imagine, if I'm a wall, right there, I do see we do have 3 skylights here, and one of those probably is leaking, hence the trash bag on it. And then over here is our living room and fireplace, which actually looks pretty good. Okay, what's kind of weird is that this is here for your modem, your different connections for your TV, whatever. And I can see a square coming out from the wall. But this back here is a fan, so I don't know if their stuff was getting hot or whatever. But that's kind of weird. We'll have to investigate. Let me go show you the primary bedroom right behind. And over here is that. So, split floor plan. We have the two secondary bedrooms, 3 secondary bedrooms really, but 2 over there, and then that garage conversion, which is make 3. And this is the primary bedroom. I mean, it's not huge. It's kind of small, but it can be really cute. Come in here. Here is the bathroom. Big closet in there. Here is what I need to know. We have a tub in here that looks like a jetted tub. I don't think people usually use jetted tubs these days. So would you replace that and put in just a stand-up shower? Or would you want to see a tub again and a shower? Like, that's a great question. But there's a lot of tile in here, so some of that's probably going to come down. We'll probably paint the cabinets, put granite in there, get new mirrors. In case anybody needs any eyelashes, here you go, right here. And then, let me show you outside. Okay, here is where all the work's going to come. This is a giant backyard for this area. This is huge. And I don't think they've done anything to it. I see 2 grills, several trees that have fallen, an old fence. It's like they left their old fence here when they redid it. And I feel like this actually, the actual concrete here goes out a little bit, so it's going to be a really nice porch area once all of this gets cleaned off. And then like it goes to there, it's huge, so it can be beautiful. And then there's this pool, right? Everybody wants a pool. We're in Texas, it's hot. But that, we would have to get fixed up. It'll probably need new pool equipment as well. But that's something we will look at and get to work on. There's all kinds of shoes around here. So if y'all need any shoes, let me know. Just kidding. But yeah, it's a nice, lot of potential here. A lot of really, really good. So when you're looking at a flip, what you want to know first off is how's the foundation, how's the AC, how's the roof. Those are your first 3 questions. And then you can kind of build from there. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop me a line. Follow me on YouTube. We'll talk soon. Okay, so here we are. This is our house that we bought and put it all together to flip it. And so I'm going to show you how this looks now. This is kind of a whole different house now. This is the front area where we took out that, that decking or that fencing kind of that was right there, to open that up so you can have a nice porch. Obviously we're cleaning up, and the doors have been painted out here, and we replaced light fixtures. Then all the flooring is new, and new fireplace. And this is one of the secondary bedrooms. This is another one of the secondary bedrooms. This is also a small garage area right there. It is just something, we're leaving this bedroom for people if they want this in their house. And then this is our hallway to the other secondary bedroom, which is here. And then you get a nice window here that shows you out. Then here is our secondary bathroom, all redone, nice and pretty. And then here is our primary bedroom, is right here. And you can see that, just a little quick peek at that pool. I don't know if you remember what the color of that was before now, but it was not the color it is now. Then here's our primary bathroom. So obviously this still is a work in progress and we have things going on. This does have the new countertop, new paint. We did keep the tile in this bathroom that was already here, but obviously it's cleaned up and looks good. And this will be just an exit here to go to the backyard if you want to. Okay, so here is the dining room. Got the skylights up here, all new kitchen. It's all been done. And let me take you outside. So here is outside. You guys aren't going to believe it if you saw that before and after. We aren't quite done yet, but you will get, this looks like night and day different. You know, we had grass to like here when we bought this house, and we didn't realize, but it has really nice flagstone that was already down, and then cool deck around the pool there. So that's nice, and the pool is a nice color of blue. It was replastered, and so very much needed. We took out all the old trees, bushes, all the things that were making this house not so attractive, but look at all that nice area there that you could entertain with. There you go. That is our flip house. We're in Corinth, Texas. This is going to be a good one. So stay tuned and I'll show you the rest as soon as we're done. Okay, so we are now at the Bellevue house where we've done the flip and it's ready to go on the market. So I'm going to take you in and show you everything that we did. Okay, so we're going in the house and obviously new floors, new paint, new painted doors, and here's one of the bedrooms, which could also be an office. And we're going to go here into the living room. So nice, open now. And we'll go back here. This is a dining area. And this is the kitchen. So nice quartz countertops and new oven, microwave, that kind of thing. This is the washer dryer area. So washer dryer and refrigerator come with this house, which is not necessarily typical. And then there is a bedroom here, secondary bedroom, and then with a big closet. And then we have the secondary bathroom here. And then I'll take you over and show you the other bedroom. Okay, so this is in fact the other bedroom, which has that little kind of half garage there on the other side of this door. So that's not a closet, but if somebody needed a more affordable house and wanted a pool, this would be 4 bedrooms and 2 baths, all on the floor, and then the pool in the backyard. So here is the primary bedroom. You have that view of the pool there. And then, you know, we changed all the fixtures, painted, put new floors in. There was a few things we didn't do cross cutting, and they involved the primary bedroom did not get as much a facelift. Got new countertops, new mirrors. So that goes outside, right? And the new owner will probably take that down and put something else up. And then you have the bathtub and shower area with, there's a commode there too. It's all tile. Now let me take you outside. Okay, so here is the outside of the house. I know if you remember before, this was all completely overgrown. This is actually a fairly nice stone patio area here now that we found. We actually didn't even realize it was a stone patio because there was so much overgrowth in that area. And then the pool is right there. So that is the anatomy of a flip, if you will. And if I can help you with any of this, I've done flipping for years and years and years and done several homes. I can help you, give you advice, tell you what's a good deal, what's not, what things to look for, what things to not look for when you're doing a flip, what's important to do, what's not. So like and subscribe to my channel below, and it'll be great. So I'll have more tips, more houses. I try to put up tips about the housing market, what's going on. So stay tuned. You'll hear a lot more, and always ask questions.